That I think brings us to the
The second
this,
topic,
yeah.
there are many ways to keep the attention of the people, or to develop their interest in what you say. And this is a try, because I've been interested in copywriting, because I started to post more and more on LinkedIn, and I followed Justin Welch, who is a really well-known copywriter on LinkedIn, and he proposed a structure to post a LinkedIn post, which is actually pipes, PAIPS, and I decided to give a try, and to use that as a model for your storytelling, when you have a presentation to make in financial view. And here I wanted just to give a sort of disclaimer to say that, yeah, this is not something you can use every time. For example, I would use it only when you have a solution to propose to a known problem of your company. So this is not a structure you can use for the month-end results, for example. This is when you see that your business partners struggle to follow up the churn of their customer, and yet that you developed a model, or that you developed a reporting that helps them follow it up, or that you developed a forecasting model that helps them be better aware of the links between one driver and the other. So this is not really to present the figure. Here it's when you have a role as finance business partner and that you will want to present a solution. And here, this is organized in 5 steps. The P of the pipes is actually the problem. When you have somebody in the company that has an issue, a pain, well, if you are aware and you know it, you already have a first step, is that you are able to speak about it. You have to highlight that problem so that the person can recognize himself directly when you start the presentation. For example, let's say you work as a B2B finance business partner, and one time in a meeting, the one of the salespersons or even the sales director said, yeah, no, how can I go to a meeting without any information on my customer? I don't even know if he paid, what's his margin. I don't have anything of that. And here you have directly to start like that. Say, yeah, I understood. It's difficult when you go to a meeting with a B2B customer, and that you don't even know what's behind the dossier, what figures there are. Uh, I understand. It's painful. You look stupid. You lose your time. You lose your customers' time. So here, it's important to stay at a high level. They have to know that there is a pain. They have to know you understood that pain, but that's it, because then you jump to the next step, which is agitate. There you give all the examples I just said. You say you go to the meeting, you have wrong figures, you have to wait too much. When you use the report, there are faults or mistakes in it. So you cannot count on it, and you have to ask each time, and it's not proactive. So here you really take back the pain and push even more on this, so that here normally the person has to feel bad, has to feel that, okay, he really got what I feel. I hope that there is something after that. And this is where you can turn around and say, and go to the I, intrigue. So here, this is where the audience must understand that there is another way. They don't have to feel that pain anymore, because, my super report exists. And there, he directly jumped from the bottom to the top. Okay, there's something. And here, this is really the aha moment, the cliffhanger, there is something this guy is going to help me, so I will listen to him for the rest of the presentation. So normally this is where you really win the audience. And then you have to mention the positive future. Basically, this is where you enumerate all the pains you mentioned in the agitate phase, and you kill them one by one thanks to your solution. Here, for example, you say that you developed an automatic report which is available in live or at the beginning of every month after each closing, that it's error-free because it's automatic, the mapping are done and so on, it has been built. So here, normally he says, okay, come on, this is the cliffhanger moment, I want to know what solution that is. And this is where you give your solution, you explain a bit more in what it consists, what there is in this report, for example, how they are going to get. This is also where you explain a bit the background, what data you use, how correct this data is, and you give all the details they need in order to be satisfied about the solution. So here, this is really a small thing in terms of presentations, but this is the human part of the presentation to help you structure how you will make those people hang to what you present.